What's up guys, and welcome back once again to the reviews. Today I've got something special. Well, it's special for me because it's exciting times. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this. This is the AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX Red Devil from PowerColor. So today I'm just going to be doing an unboxing of it, show you what you get and what it looks like. And then it's going to be coming in a future build. I'm going to do a review of this. We'll be comparing it back against some other graphics cards and we're seeing how it performs. Right, so as I mentioned in the beginning, this is the Red Devil 7900 XTX from PowerColor. Obviously everyone knows about these pretty much. 24GB ray tracing, Radeon boosts, Radeon anti-lag. A quick look at what it says on the box. It's got a backplate, it's got a dual BIOS, PCB Design's 14 layer. It's really well put together. Obviously this is RDNA 3, so it's going to be the same sort of specs basically as the vanilla one, but we'll just go through those. 96 AMD RDNA 3 compute units with RT and AI accelerators, 96MB Infinity Cache, DisplayPort 2.1, Radiance display engine, boost technology, anti-lag, all that kind of stuff. Obviously it's a by 16 and minimum of 900 watt or greater power supply is recommended for this. I've got an 850, so hopefully it'll be alright. And then minimum of 8GB recommended, 16GB system RAM. So let's just have a look at it. I'll show more about this when I do my full review. So first of all, let's have a quick look at what you get in the box. For a start off, you get a Red Devil badge. So if you want to pop that in your case, you can. You get a little welcome sort of card, shows your rig type thing. That should be in there, I assume. And then you also get a GPU anti-sag bracket. It's actually really nicely made. It's really well weighted at the bottom, made out of solid metal as well, which is nice. It's not plastic or anything like that. So you build that little stand up and then you can pop these on. And these will go around your graphics card, just to give it a bit of support if you need it. I'm not sure if it's going to work in my case as I'm using the Funtech 719, but we'll find out. So other than that, in the box, obviously you get the graphics card, which we'll have a look at in a sec. You get an ARGB cable there, because it has got an ARGB header on the graphics card, I believe. And then you get the graphics card itself, which is an absolutely behemoth. It's absolutely massive. Wow. I didn't expect it to be quite this big. Yeah, so I'll put the dimensions up on the screen so you can see how big it is in terms of the length. It is pretty much a 4-slot card because it's 3 and then some. As you can see, got a 3 bracket and then obviously there's this piece here that sticks out, so it's pretty much a 4-slot, so it is an absolutely massive GPU. So first of all, let's talk about the cooling design. So 3 fans on here. Again, I'll put the dimensions of those up on. I believe this middle one spins the alternate direction as well, to reduce turbulence. We've got ARGB accents here in these little sort of triangles, and then we've got a massive ARGB bar all the way along there. And I believe there's some in this corner bit here as well, which is sort of like a devil's eye type thing. And then on the back, we've also got RGB in this devil symbol here as well. It's pretty much standard on the back, 3 display ports, 1 HDMI, so you connect up to 4 monitors obviously on this. It's absolutely chunky. Look at the size of that cooler on it, it's absolutely huge. And you can see the PCB is actually quite long on this, it's all the way up to there, whereas on the NVIDIA card it's a lot shorter, but the PCB is massive on these. Going back around to the back, this is 3 times 8-pin PCIe power connectors, so this should take a little bit more power than the standard one and hopefully allow for some more boosting and overclocking potential if you're into that. And then we've got sort of a blow through design here on this little bit at the end, so you get a bit of the air coming through. And then obviously the back plate is absolutely lovely. It's a brushed sort of aluminium, titanium coloured looking, brushed gunmetal type looking back plate. Looks absolutely lovely. And it's obviously got all these slots down it as well. You've also got the Radeon logo here. I don't think that lights up, but I'm not sure. We'll find out in the review, it might do. You've got the Radeon logo there as well. And then on this piece here is where you can change your BIOS. You've either got OC or silent. Why anyone would use silent really, I don't know. But it'll be on OC for when I do my testing. That's a standard one really. yeah, so that's it really, guys. There's not really a lot more to show you about it. It looks absolutely epic. I can't wait to get this installed. It should be an absolute beast of a graphics card, and as you can see, it's absolutely huge. It looks amazing. So stick with me, get subscribed if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when my review video for this goes live, and comparison videos and build videos and everything that are going to incorporate this. Make sure you stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.